My name is Kalonzo Musyoka. I appear with the following colleagues for the first appellant, Honorable Eugene Wamalwa, Mr. Kibe
Just a
Muigai,
minute, just a minute. Appearing with
Honorable Eugene Wamalwa, Mr.
yes,
Kibe Muigai, who will shortly actually be arguing the matter before the leadership,
yes.
Mr. Wilfred Inyamu,
So Wilfred. Yes.
But where we come from, we don't call him Wilfred because of another name. Mr. Dengwa Njiru,
Yes.
Senator Dan Manzo,
Yes.
Mr. Ken Echesa,
Present, my lady.
Mr. Ken who?
Echesa.
Yes.
And for the third appellant, my lady, Mr. Jeremy Jenga. And first and second.
Just a minute. Honorable Kalonzo and your team, you appear for which appellant?
For the first appellant.
Oh, for the
For
first.
Babayao, to be more explicit. Yeah, Mr. Swaka is also for Babayao.
Present.
Mr. Swaka,
Mr. Swaka.
also for the first.
For the first,
Just for the first and second appellants.
Yes.
My lady, we have a very important application to make.
Okay, the other appellants. These are four consolidated matters. We have E06 is the lead file. We have E07, E08, and E09.
My lady, I want to turn on record for E008.
Oh, Mr. Jenga.
Yes. I believe Mr. Swaka appears in
Who is in E009?
My lady,
Yes,
my name is Wangia.
yes.
I appear together with Miss Mwamburi.
Wangia.
Yes.
Yes, appearing with
Miss Mwamburi.
Present, my lady.
Miss Mwela.
Miss Wambuli.
Mwamburi.
Oh,
Mwamburi.
mm-hmm.
Miss Mwela.
I'm present, my lady.
Mr. Nyamache.
present, my lady.
And Mr. Mwasaru.
Present, my lady.
We appear for the appellants in E009, that's the Republic.
Mm-hmm.
And we are the respondents in
Yes.
E06, 7, and 8.
Yes.
My lady, we here to seek directions
Yes.
in accordance with the matter filed before the court on the 18th of March, 2025.
There are two applications.
Yes.
Yeah, my learned friend Kibe would want to highlight.
My lady, for purposes of directions,
Yes.
The last time that we were before you with our applications of 14th of March, in which we were inter alia seeking a supplementary petition dated 11th of March 2025
Yes.
to be deemed as duly filed.
Yes.
There's an objection by the DPP
Yes.
on the grounds that this matter having been admitted, the appeal having been admitted, the petition of appeal can only be amended. Consequent to that, on the same date, 18th of March, we filed the second notice of motion.
Okay, let's say this. We have two pending applications.
Yes.
Okay, one dated 18th of March.
Yes.
The other one dated
14th.
14th of March.
Yes.
Yes, I'm ready to give directions in this document.
Yes, my lady. But before you give directions,
Yes.
I would just want to indicate
Yes.
that because of the logic of the case,
Yes.
the applications dated 14th of March 2025 ought to be had in priority and determined first, because the application seeking bail, the application of 14th of March, is largely premised on the grounds that were raised in the supplementary petition of appeal and now the amended document. So that what
They've been
needs...
amended,
Yes, we have
officially
amended.
not, because one of your prayers is for it to be deemed as be admitted.
Yes, but we also amended. We also annexed an amended document. In the amended document, as I've indicated, all that we did, you can look at that application from page 11 to the end. All that we did is to add the additional grounds raised in the supplementary in the amended petition of appeal. So that one has been done. Of course, we are taken aback by the fact that things that ordinarily have always been routine, we have grounds of objection. Therefore, unless the DPP has a change of mind, we may need to have the matter heard and a decision made. Actually, as a matter of fact, this is the first time when my landlord colleague Kalonzo Musyoka is confirming where an amendment is being opposed of grounds of appeal.
No, Mr. Mugai, I'm looking at the two applications.
Yes.
The one dated 14th of March.
Yes.
Is seeking leave to
Yes.
have the supplementary petition
Yes.
as duly filed.
Yes.
You have also sought for an order for bail.
Yes.
Then the one for 18,
Yes.
you are seeking a similar order that the supplementary petition be
Yes.
deemed as duly filed. Okay.
Or in the alternative.
Or in the alternative,
Yes.
leave be granted to the appellant
Yes.
to amend the petition of appeal.
The one that is annexed.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, now you are saying?
The effect of that,
Yes.
since we had assumed, you remember the last time,
Yes.
we had assumed that without a lot of big deal,
Yes.
that the amendment would be deemed as duly filed,
Yes.
so that we could have your applications for bail.
Yes.
When an issue arose,
Yes.
even the court was of the opinion, then we may need to separate the two
Yes.
and file a formal application
Yes.
to resolve the issue of the amendment of the petition,
Yes.
which we did by the application of 18th of March.
Yes.
Therefore, but we are subsequent to that, we received grounds of opposition.
Yes.
So in view of those grounds, that's why I'm saying that directions need to be given
Yes.
that we resolve that issue
Yes.
of the amendment. Then, depending on the outcome of the case, we can argue our applications for bail pending appeal, because that's the only logical flow that is
But your
possible.
prayer is in the two applications. Now,
No. In the first one, as we indicated, we are abandoning in the first application. We are abandoning the prayer for supplementary because we agreed that we shall separate because of the objection. Yes. I believe that was the effect of what we said the last time.
You see, when you were here last time,
Yes.
your application dated 18th of March had not been filed.
Yes, that is true.
And I told you I cannot give directions on an application that has not been filed.
True.
So now we are now dealing with the application dated 18th of March today for the first time, isn't it? Because when it was filed under certificate of urgency,
Yes.
I gave directions
Yes.
that to be mentioned together,
Yes.
isn't it? But when we were here last, it had not been filed, isn't it?
That's true.
So now you are saying you are abandoning.
In that event, we abandoned prayer number 2
Yes.
of the application. Notice of motion dated 14th of March. So that they will be dealt with in the context of the second application, prayer 2.
Okay. So you're saying we first.
If you say you are relying on this set of petition of appeal, grounds of appeal, and those grounds have not been admitted, then you cannot be able to argue for bail, referring to them as if they have been admitted. That question has to be resolved first. Because now we don't want to be dealt with in a murder situation where we don't even know what are we basing our applications on. So it is those occupational hazard that if it requires us to come twice, we shall need to come twice because of the logic of the situation. It is not possible to say that you argue with them